Hello everyone, welcome to BI Consulting Pro. In this quick video, we are going to talk about all the changes that Microsoft has implemented for DA100 exam, which are effective from September 24th, 2021. In this quick video, I'm going to let you know everything about the new changes that are being implemented in this exam. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. So in this video, I'm going to tell you what are the skills that are being measured for DA100 exam along with the changes which are being effected from the 24th of September 2021. The very first comes the prepare the data. This is going to be 20 to 25% of your exam. There are the different sections for this part where you will get the data from different data sources, profile the data, and also clean, transform, and load the data into Power BI. For this part, there is no change. Now we come to the next part. In the next part, you have to model the data, which is going to be 25 to 30% of your total exam. And in this part, you will get the different categories such as design a data model, develop the data model, create measures by using DAX, and also optimize model performance. So there is one change in this part, and this is under the design a data model. In this part, they have added a new topic which is going to be apply or change sensitivity labels. For this topic, we have already created a video on our channel and I'm going to add that into our playlist of DA100 exam topics. So please don't forget to check the link in the description section for the DA100 exam playlist. Next, we are going to talk about the third part, which is the visualize the data, which is going to be 20 to 25%. And in this part, you will have to create the reports, create dashboards, enrich reports for usability. All these topics are being covered in this part. And here also we have a change, and which is under the create reports part. So under create reports from September 2024, you will have a new section that is add a smart narrative visual. For this visual also we have already created a video on our channel, and if you would like to check, you can check the link under the description section. Let's move forward. And the next part is going to be analyze the data, which is going to be 10 to 15% of the total exam questions. And in this, there would be questions based on enhanced reports to expose insights and also performed advanced analysis. And there also a change under this part. In this part, the change is basically under the perform advanced analysis. And what is that change? Change is going to be your use anomaly detection. I have created a one exclusive video on anomaly detection, and also I'll provide you the link in the description section. Please don't forget to have a look over there too. Last part is deploy and maintain the deliverables. That is going to be 10 to 15%, and there are going to be two sections, that is manage dataset and create and manage workspaces. So all the questions would be on those two topics. That's all for this today's quick video, and also please don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for all the latest videos and updates.